Hey guys, good morning. Today is Monday. The reason for waking up is in the breakfast we have poha as well as chocos. So both are good. That's why I wake up early. So now let's go and have the breakfast. Neither we have bhujia, non-chopped onion or lemon. So it's around 10:30 a.m. and today we have laundry. So in VIT basically we have approx 3 times a month laundry. Like every 10 days approx you will get a free laundry. So every day is assigned with a range of floor. So today we have first, second and third floor and I live in second floor, so today is my date. Meanwhile, I was studying this, like I was doing another course of Mastercard Cyber Security and I completed the task one. So now let's go and give it to the laundry because the early you give, the early you get, like your clothes. So this is what laundry bag look like. We have handles, yeah. Let me take my ID card as well. Like it's written and ID card is mandatory, but they never check. But still for safety purpose. And this will be my last day. I mean, last laundry of VIT. After that, I will go home. So I have given the cloths to the laundry. So now let's resume the study. One thing I wanna show you that the room temperature. It's around 10:45 and still it around 24 degree and AC is off. So that's the benefit of AC room. Like AC was off around 7 a.m. So even after 3-4 hours the room temperature is so chill. Like even you don't need fan to run. After 1-2 hour fan can be needed, but now it's not needed. So I have completed that cyber security course and I posted it on my LinkedIn. You can follow me to stay updated about my study schedule. The issue is I got placed at TCS 3-4 months ago itself. The only reason I was staying in the college to get a better offer. But since many students are unplaced, college is focusing only on them. Like many company, the criteria is only for unplaced student. So the student who are not yet placed can only apply. So I'm sitting idle here and wasting my time. That's why I'm doing new courses. I'm upskilling myself so that in future it can be benefited. That's all. I was watching this video at this angle and MacBook display are the best. You can see the viewing angle, like you won't see any black screen from any angle. So it's very convenient. Remember I was telling the room temperature remains low even if the AC is off. So I cannot apply oil. It has got frozen. Even the room temperature is still 24.4 degree. Still it has got frozen. So I have to put it in hot water. Ouch, it's boiling. And wait for 5 minutes. So finally it got melted. Now it's time for applying. Monday lunch is my favorite one because we have dragon chicken, Manchurian, masala kulcha, veg fried rice and lemon juice. So it's around 5 p.m. and I'm copying file from hard drive to my Mac. In the meanwhile, let's go to the laundry and collect the wash cloths. So even if you completely fill the bag, it's okay. But don't overfill it because then your cloth may get lost because they will topple in the washing machine then back to your bag. So one two cloth can get lost. So don't overfill it. Like when I gave it was hair only, but now because it has been dried through hot air, like the volume has been increased. So yeah, you give it, they only wash it, they only dry it. No need of drying it alone. Just some dress require ironing that you have to do yourself in the ground floor only. If you are still watching this video, thank you so much. I have came early so that my room can get cleaned. I was watching CID and suddenly I realized that I said I will trim my beard, but I forgot today. And tomorrow is Tuesday, and Tuesday I don't cut nails or hairs, so I have to postpone it to Wednesday. Not an issue. And one more thing I want to tell you, don't buy MacBook for gaming. Literally, it's the worst experience. Like you can see, I have installed only one game which was my favorite since childhood. And even if the graphic quality is the lowest, you click on play, the game will start and will crash automatically after some time. Gone. See? See, error also has came. And this has been downloaded from App Store, not from any third party and all. So gaming in Mac, like very limited game are present in the MacBook, and if some high-end game like this are present, then it will crash. And other games are very third class low end, like we used to play in a 2018 2019, like 2D car racing, 2D bike, like old graphics. So for gaming, Macs are a big red flag. So I was watching a CID episode and it really touched my heart. Like this episode is really beautiful. You should give it a watch. I love you, Papa. Like if you are a tech enthusiast and you love like machine and with emotion, then you should watch this episode. It's really good. Now the time is 8 p.m. So now I am going for dinner. In Monday we have rajma and French fries. I will show you what they mean by French fries. So let's go to the mess. So the French fries is currently out of stock, and you can see the roti's condition. Like it's dried out and undercooked. Rajma. I think they bought the French fries. Let me get. Surprisingly, this time they made it nice. But like it's not crispy, it's very spicy. Just now I had my dinner and came to the room. Like in my whole BTech, this is the second time I have taken ice cream. And just to show you guys, like I never eat ice cream from the mess because the reason is this. Like it gets expire after 1 year. I won't comment anything else. The video will be deleted. But yeah, this is the second time I am taking ice cream from a mess. That's it. Memories.
Farewell, bye bye. ऋषभ से तो मिलना नहीं है but